Who amongst us here will be here next Ramadan? Who knows? Who can guarantee that? There will come a time when this Ramadan, next Ramadan, some Ramadan will be our last Ramadan. This is the sunnah of Allah. إِنَّكَ مَيِّتٌ وَإِنَّهُمْ مَيِّتُونَ. You, Ya Rasulullah, will die and they will all die. And those verses came down and everybody who heard them the first time are gone. And the second time, and the third, and the 10th, and the 40th, and the 60th generations. Between us and the Prophet ﷺ are around 50 generations. They're all gone. And this verse has been recited by our grandparents. Now it is being recited by us. Eventually it will be recited by our grandchildren. إِنَّكَ مَيِّتٌ وَإِنَّهُمْ مَيِّتُونَ. You, Ya Rasulullah, will die, and all of them will die. وَمَا جَعَلْنَا لِبَشَرٍ مِّن قَبْلِكَ الْخُلْدِ. We never gave any human being immortality. أَفَإِن مِتَّ فَهُمُ الْخَالِدُونَ. If you, Ya Rasulullah, will die, do they think they're going to live forever? If you are going to die, do they think they're going to live forever? So we come to the end of this month. And we don't know how many more Ramadans we have. We don't know when or where the angel of death will come. But we need to be prepared for any time. We need to be prepared so that when that angel comes, we hear the good news from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya ayyatuham nassul mutma'inna. That's what I want, that's what you want. We want to hear that voice. Oh, you peaceful, restful soul. Now your time on this earth is over. Irji'i ila rabbiki. Go back, your Lord is waiting for you. Your Lord is waiting for you. Radiyatan. He is pleased with you. Mardiyya. He is more than happy at what you have done. That's the good news I want to hear and you want to hear. The only way we'll get that news, the only way, is if we are constantly preparing for that day. And that's what my advice to myself and all of you is. Look at yourself and your station and maqam. Look at how you are in front of your Lord. Look at how much you've prepared, what you stand forward, what legacy you're leaving behind. And it is never too late to change until we see the angel of death. Once we see the angel of death, then there is no chance to change. So take advantage of the time that we have. Turn over a new leaf. Return to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Live a productive life thinking of death. Don't go morbid. Don't become sad. No, we're all going to leave. The purpose of thinking of death is to live a more productive life. That's what Allah wants from us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us all the best of all deaths. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us all the tawfiq to say, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cause us to return to Him when He is pleased and happy with us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make the angel of death one of the angels of mercy for us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us thabat when munkar and nakir come and we can answer the questions with firmness and with the correct answer. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make our graves a vast, a lighted, a beautiful garden from the gardens of paradise. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cause us to live as Muslims, to die as mu'mins, and to be resurrected with the prophets and the martyrs and the siddiqeen and shuhada and salihin. And what a noble companionship they are. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.